Hello. So here's the robot. I have connected the left motor to the motor driver. I haven't connected the right motor. So as of this moment, the microcontroller is also powered by the same power supply. The motor driver is connected to V-in and ground. So V-in and ground is also connected to the power supply. So they are both using the same power supply. The motor is currently stopped. The pins that control the left motor is pins 5 and 9. So please check your connections. Let's check the code. So first things first, I need to set the appropriate pins. So I'm going to declare two variables, constant variables, both integers. L motor A, I'll set it to 5. Then L motor B, I'll set it to 6. No, it's 9. Okay, 9. So both pins are PWM. And then here in setup, I'm going to set both pins to output. And then here in the main code, I'm going to say here L motor A, no, analog right, L motor A, I'll set it to 1 to 7. Maximum is 255, minimum is 0. I do not suggest you use 255 or set it to maximum, otherwise you might burn your motor. So use 1 to 7 or 1/2. Make sure you know what you're doing. Analog right, L motor B, I'll set 0 so that the wheel will move in one direction, hopefully forward, assuming everything is connected properly. I'm going to set the delay to 5,000 milliseconds or 5 seconds, and I'm going to put a while structure here, while true. Details of how to use the while structure is discussed in lesson number 5. So I'm going to say here that analog, okay, L motor A is set to 0, PWM is set to 0, same with second pin. I'll set it to 0 just to be sure. So this should make the left motor move forward for 5 seconds and then stop. I'll click tools, make sure that you have selected Arduino Nano, and then for the processor, select ATmega 328P. If it doesn't work, if you can't upload, select the old bootloader, and then make sure you're connected to correct port, and then I'll upload. It's up to you if you want to save. I will not save. So let's check. This should move forward for 5 seconds. There, and then here I'm going to make this go run in reverse, so this will be set to B and this to A. I'm going to upload. Again, always make sure you only give 50% power. I'm currently using an 8.6 power supply, and 1/2 of that's around 4 or 4.5. And be careful not to burn your motor because this is rated only 6 volts. Okay, it's also important that you put a stop at the end of the code, so that the program or the wheel or the motor will not continue running or will stop at the end. So again, I'll reset. There you go.